Hi, I'm Steve Santoro with Lutron Electronics, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Lutron Sunnata touch dimmer in a single pole application. This dimmer has two black wires, one blue and one green, and these instructions will work for any Lutron dimmer with the same color configurations. First, begin by turning off the power at the circuit breaker. Be sure to test your switch to make sure the light does not come on. Once you've confirmed that the power is off, you can begin to remove this existing switch from the wall. Start by removing the faceplate. And then remove the existing device. Pull your switch from the wall, and then you can remove your wires. Now we can begin wiring your new Sunnata dimmer. The first step, since this is only single pole, is to take the blue wire cap and cap off the blue wire on the dimmer. You won't need it in a single pole application. Next, we'll connect the ground to the bare copper in your box. The next step, take the two black wires on the dimmer and tie them to the remaining two wires coming out of your box. In this instance, it will not matter which wire goes to which of the black wires on the dimmer. Now that we're all wired, we can fit the wires back into the box and mount your new Sunnata dimmer with the screws provided in the package. Now you can finish off your installation with a Lutron screwless faceplate, sold separately. Now that your Sunnata dimmer is installed, you can return power to your switch back at the circuit breaker. Now that your power is back on, you could turn the dimmer on and off, or adjust the light level with the touch bar. I hope this video was helpful and made an easy installation even simpler. Be sure to check out lutron.com/wiringwizard for more videos and helpful tricks for other installations.